Looking for a stress-free moving experience? Hiring a full-service moving company might be the perfect solution if you're planning to move in or around Wellington, Florida. Let's dive into what makes a full-service moving company like 3 Movers the ideal choice for your move in Wellington. When you hire a full-service moving company, you're choosing convenience. Our professional team handles every move detail, from packing your items to unloading and setting up in your new home. Here's what you can expect from a full-service move with 3 Movers in Wellington. Packing and unpacking. We carefully pack your items, making sure everything is secure for the journey, and unpack them when you arrive at your new home. Furniture disassembly and reassembly. We disassemble your furniture for easy transport and reassemble it in your new space. Loading and unloading. Our team does all the heavy lifting so you can relax. Electronics packing. We carefully pack electronics to ensure they arrive safely. Transport. We take care of your belongings to your new home. Waste disposal. We handle packaging waste, leaving your new home clean. Storage services. Need storage? We offer secure storage options for any extra items. Car shipping. We can ship your vehicle along with your household items. For the best full-service movers near you in Wellington, Florida, call 3 Movers today at 888-202-0036 or visit our website for a free quote. Let's make your move as easy as possible.